I am at 2102 West 34th Place. This is new construction, single family home in the Ohio City neighborhood. Very well located. It's just minutes to the West Side Market, 25th Street, breweries, restaurants, all over the place. One thing this place has is a lot of closet space. So you walk in the front door, there's a large coat closet. So if you're coming in, this is the garage if you're coming in from your car. So we got a nice tall garage, 2-car. So if you come in from the garage, you've got the coat closet to your right. As you come down here, half bath. Stairs going up in a large great room. You know, right now they've got it set up as like a large living room, but there's absolutely room for a dining room here and plenty of space for it. So we've got the quartz countertops, flat white cabinets. Got this pantry here. These have got pull-out shelves. Kitchen appliances are included, but then there's also this really big pantry. It's very deep, so that's awesome. So lots of storage. There's the island. And if you're standing at your island, this is a view of the great room. Got some drawer bases, regular cabinets, extra tall. Got a patio out here. Not a ton of yard, but you know, you've got outdoor space. Very nice patio. So you got the double doors leading to the patio. So at the edge of that line there, that is your property line. Let's head upstairs. Again, new construction, everything's brand new. Unique feature about this home is that there is a deck off the second floor, which is pretty cool. And this is accessible by off the hallway, so you don't have to go through a bedroom or anything to get to it. Nice open hallway. Now our main bath is right here. Linen closet, again, storage is a big theme in this house. Lots of storage. So your linen closet's right next to your laundry, side by side. Our bedrooms are right here. This is probably the largest of the spare bedrooms. Nice open space here connecting them. Let's head into the master suite. We're in it right now. Check this closet out. Huge. So we got vaulted ceilings, lots of windows, as you can see, just great light. So besides that huge closet, there's a smaller one here. So 2 closets. And then the master bath here. So we got the wall hung cabinets and very nice shower here. Really cool tile. Got penny tile on the floor. Got a little insert here with the penny tile. Double vanity. Tile floor. let's head down to the basement. Unfinished. Got the insulation for the above grade portion. Mechanicals, but nice big room. So you could do a lot down here. If you want to finish it, you know, or just leave it as is for storage or whatever you want to do. That's all I got.